Say another Kufuado. And two plane. And a helicopter no then on them.
Abuza from Mamu Yamakwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV so. But I'm on this like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time. Videos of this nature about also sabit my cabin. So watch your comment section. Maybe we from Mr. President and Major so TikTok or comment section or by be from Mr. President and Major so. You need dream say that should be ano. The meeting the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na wato ko amamo we die e dey need to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyesom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment abe hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say adi we time nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, mommy enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no yeko heba we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Mommy enko mra sisi.
Say another Kufuado. And two plane. And a helicopter no then on them. And Cabo Huna Ghana for bay. A Cabo Huna Ghana for bay. Say, Nipa and I went to play in them. There's an Kamia say, a Kufuado, Kwan will be a own wadi who groom her, or my wim. A Kufuado pet, no be Ghana for Memha. Only Aquala, wadi, or Memha. Zana Ghana for Hunum. And I Kamia say, and this is for no more or damn with me propagate. Timi guni penny masse, Emma talk Ghana for a dream. Emma Muni Pano Mutimi Tano. Nankaya sa, Nkaya me Kaya me pass, a Kufuado, Mutimi Tano, it will good any masse, Timi Horono. Nanka a Kufuado, Ene Mahama, President Mahama, or to see. Anko no only a Kufuado when the tena play mu first a Kufuado no bibi ne diana agi play amani nua e no de call rounds na ade o do tukwan mo se Kufuado nko tena play that dem no fa tukwan na emfa ne hwo no yo nko TV so e bompai play ni betu a omo mfa Kufuado hwo ase Kufuado de cheso nye Ghana ni onye nipa e wo Ghana ha na ni nuanu bi omo wo MPP mu ene ye friend ono ani kuro mu fo se ye mbo na sembiam ye ngu na ni mase anko bia ne papa tima baba president ne papa be president it went to kwan da when ko holiday a oni Kufuado ko obi da Kufuado mo frasi na no ne abrofo na kusku enne mo se onu mo okoko tramplin na wa o adwale wo wie magu so propaganda ente se no matimaye e de aguna ni mase ya okom de wa weekend kom na ya pa weekend so we niska wo ho weekend na ye close advanced country papa ben na developer yetimi close the whole market the whole shops say sanitation day and nemre ni bia be ye da so ya asafuduma abran institutions wo wa yetu omka Zoom Lion wet twa no contact mu ene wo de ama original chairman for say omo na omo ye den omo na omo hwe sanitation so ene omo so tete faako ene omo de sekpr ene omo de disturb yen krom obi an ye adwuma because ejiji president so oyo de hia si obi a ndi ejiji no so enso anke kaase ye to abama wo ye som na abesom enye timamufon citizen na esom eza wo mu na abeso citizen afraid the service no say adane we yen service biom say timamfo no mu na som friend dem for servants no mo se mo ye servants mo ba besom nso ye mu na afraid ye som na Saturday pa na close shop say sanitation day nso so fa nipa we tu fa mo we yi gata mu dia gu ho na me ahwe saa mensuato na gata na asa nso na se atwini nyina kogu gata mu biem nso na se atwini nyina kogu gata mu biem we ya kwa na ye bai na ye nya leaders papa bi intimi control sa ade we intimi control sanitation common sanitation keke intimi control baby aye dumping site kwa ye nibi ni nyina aye private way zoom lion there the zoom lion no close awunya baby fa ngugu ye kwa ya na e bai ade a me ya ye nkofo na ewu no na ejapade asenya asenketwa onipa
obeti atechem wo suro se obekoti bi amanfo wo na ye twa uka taxpayers money e na ye di twa uka Ghana for one my sense form papa one my Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya daje ko sell lie eto abasama o because wo betena so for good 12 years. Wo be ye vice president. E ma wu jade atamos ewu ye. Ye disa show nsama wo buye. Wo wie wo se wo nye president da. E ma ye vote ma wo bedi 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchina ye sama wo mra se wo betwa 12 good years wo tumi nye hwe wo promises en kokon ketenkete omo adwane en confirm a wo di ba ya omo kọ Burkina kokofu a wo promise omo se wo betu ebula ama koko farmers bia wo ba ye wo beti koko no so ewum wo nsan so ntua ka wo firi omo koko wo di omo ka wo ba ya wo si agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo si market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wo ye nti ase wo be sori e na wo si market ne bathroom wo he efiri kwa me kruma time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edi dada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyineni efri oso nyame nsan ni oso. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mukwa mu party me say balok di we chi no Ghana for ansha this 2 years aka no ahohie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komu no esum bi mbada o
bibia asay wo hwe your sports are say hwe Black Stars afa Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency ye the world cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto ebi nsi da
wodi be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sanitation for this sika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nye hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonso na baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro se wo pad saka wide wo do se pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Ojene da no. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we na me ye ma mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yenime because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, yeah, hospitals and they go on and no women say. It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abaya. It is a kind of country that was I would to me was I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort must sacrifice discard to what the hospitals are most of my comfort. A comfort my facilitator is on the funded free seniors who some are comfort. You see, any Ghana for debut. Na fe na tables na tani afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you Addo Dee Nyame ma say all members come to boot one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, o mo ma mo kinki, amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Addo Dee Nyame mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia utilization bia and na gafo say okay ne beto ba na ma boom mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi
Say die ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bi a Y0uth chro ye eba council of state member voter region na me say fiam Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.